What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this cute Christmas husky, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get stuck in. Okay, so you're going to start off in the middle of the page and just draw this nice little shape for its nose. You can just draw a round shape, but I've gone for a rounded upside down triangle. And then under that, just draw like an umbrella sort of shape one way and the other way for its mouth. Okay, so next up we're going to draw like the nose part, the bridge of the nose, and then the round parts that's like a bit like goggles that go around its eyes. So for this I'm going to go really lightly and try and do it really smoothly, and if I go wrong then I'm going to correct it afterwards with a heavier line. So this one's pretty good, and then I'll just do the same, so go nice and smooth. Okay, so I have a look, one might be a bit bigger than the other, so now's the time to correct it so they look as similar as you can get them. So I'm just going to make this one a little bit bigger, and then I'll go over this and make it a bit harder so I can see it better.
Hey Griswold, where do you think you're going to put a tree that big?
Okay, next up we're just going to put his eyes in, so try and get it in the sort of middle of that oval circle shape, just above the nose, and then the same on the other side. So if you can, try and do this without using like a shape or something to draw around. Just do it really nice and steady and take your time. And then inside the eyes we're going to put a couple of highlight spots just to make his eyes look, or her eyes, whatever you want it to be, nice and shiny. Okay, so if you've got to imagine the head's going to be about this size, and I'm just going to draw a really light circle just so I can have an idea where the head is, but the actual head's going to be sort of squarer than that. So I'm going to start in this corner and just taper a little line out to the side like this, and then a couple of furry jaggedy marks, and then do the same on the other side. Okay, and so for this one we're going to have the husky sat inside a Christmas stocking. So I'm just going to draw some of these little like furry fluffy bits at the top of the Christmas stocking. You can do this like, it's basically like doing a cloud. If you watch how I do it, you can do it like that. I would have used to have just done like a continuous line that goes over, but try and make some big and some little, just to make it look a bit more interesting to look at. So next up we're going to do the cheeks. We're just going to come down and follow that line down, and the same on the other side. And then this is the back of the stocking, so it looks a little bit more like the husky's inside the stocking. Okay, next up we've got to put the ears in, and we've also got a Christmas hat to pop in. So I'm just going to put a floating Christmas hat here. I'm just going to do a little Christmas hat, but if you wanted to, you could actually make a Christmas hat sit all the way over the top. If you don't like doing ears, this is a good way to not have to draw the ears. So if you want to make a really big Christmas hat, you could do that as well. So I've just done that same cloudy fluffy effect, and then sort of a wiggly triangle on top, and a nice bubble on the hat. So next we're going to draw the top of the head. So we'll do some fluffy zigzags and then just carry that line across. And this will make it easy to stick the ears on top. That's just like a nice curved line. And then another one that comes a little bit straighter. So that's like the edge of the ear. And then the inside of the ear will curve it the other way and down to the side of the head. And then do the same on the other side. Cool, so he's looking pretty good now. All that's left to do is draw in the sock. So I'm just going to come down and make it nice and wide. And I've only got a little bit of paper left here. So I'm just going to make it really short, as you see here, look. And then you can decorate the sock however you like. I think I'm just going to write Merry Christmas on it. But you could do a Christmas tree, or you could do like a baubles on it. Okay, next job is you can get your marker, Sharpie, and then just start to go really slowly and carefully over the lines, starting from the top and working your way down.
Shall I open this then?
Well, it is Christmas Day.
You shouldn't have bothered, you know. I mean, I wasn't expecting it. I told him, I said to Bob, look, I don't want a present this year. Oh, look at them. Driving gloves.
Well, it seemed appropriate. We didn't know what to get you.
Oh, they really are very nice, though, eh? Oh, you make me feel rotten now. I'm not getting you anything.
Okay, so carry on along the lines, making sure you're really being careful. And then what I like to do after that is go around with like a double layer around the very outside and just really thicken up that outside edge. So I don't touch the inside one so much, but just making sure that outside edge all the way around is really nice and thick. Really helps your characters just pop out a little bit. Right, so you can see I've changed a little bits of it, especially the mouth, and then I've added some eyelashes as well. But apart from that, I've pretty much kept it to the same as my pencil drawing. So I'm just going to colour it in. I'm using alcohol marker pens today. I think they're the best things to use if you can get to them, or like coloured pencils are really good as well. But alcohol markers tend not to smudge so much, and they like leave a really nice finish where you don't get that like overlapping look to the colours. So because this is a husky, a little puppy husky, I'm going to do his head grey. So if you are using alcohol markers like this, make sure you've got something underneath your paper to protect your next page or the table that you're working on.
Mom's gonna pack your stuff anyway. You're what the French call les incompetents. What?
And there it is. Hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash the like button and let us know if you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Peace.
Clark, it's the gift that keeps on giving the whole year.
That it is, Edward.